Well, everybody, this is the naughty Charlie, and I was just doing the raffle tickets for the day, and he decided he was going, oh, I don't want that on camera, going to attack my toilet paper. Are you being naughty? Yes, he is. So look what he just did. Look, there's toilet paper everywhere. Look what you did. Yes, I was minding my own business. Oh, did you all see that orb, everybody? Oh, I like orbs. This is the Naughty Charlie. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm doing my raffle tickets for the day. And he decides he's going to attack the toilet paper, and he's not going to let me have it now. Give it back to me. Can I have it back? No, no, give me the toilet paper. Ow, ow, that hurts. Now you're showing everybody your true colours and what you get up to and why your name is Charlie Asbo. Ow, that was my finger. He's so naughty. This is what I have to contend with, and when you're on camera you do the sweetest face and everybody thinks, oh, you are so naughty. What have you done? What have you done? Oh, we won't let go of it. Give it back to me. No, no, no. You are trouble. Yes, you are. Oh, dear. Oh. You bite it and then you don't like it anyway. Do you? Oi. I'm going to get it. Oh, look what he's done. He's abs. And look, there's toilet paper everywhere now. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness me. What a naughty boy. Oh, you are so naughty. Can you stop that, please? No, he's not. Oh, my goodness. Give it to me now. Can you see what he's done? Look at that. And look at the mess. Right. I won't show you that because he's cleaning himself. So everybody, I have been doing the raffle tickets and now I have a naughty cat to tell off because he's a naughty boy. Okay, everyone, I shall see you in a bit with the raffle. See you soon. Bye.